So I'm going to be showing you how to create an AI cooking vlog. Alright, so that's what we're going to be doing today. So just keep on watching. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, comment and like as well. Alright, so this is the prompt we are going to be giving out to ChatGPT. Okay, this is the prompt. So she's going to be in three different scenes, and then with the same character, a consistent character of the lady and the kitchen design. All right, so once ChatGPT to give us a prompt, like an image prompt for the three scenes. Scene one is washing vegetable, scene two cutting veggies, and then the third scene. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to copy the first scene. All right, the first scene, and then we're going to take it to Lumin AI. Okay, so just follow me, take it to Lumin AI. Go to your Google, search for Lumin AI, which I'm doing currently. So this is it. This is the logo of the Lumin AI. So once you see this, just tap on it. Once you tap on it, it will take you to the page. So of course you have to sign up. You can see generate for free. Once you tap on generate for free, you have to sign up with your Google account. Okay, so once they show you this, just sign up with your Google account. All right, and then you are in. So right now you just tap on create down there. You see explore, you see create, tap on create down there. So these are some of the things I've generated. So right now I want it to be on 9 by 16. Let me see. You can put it at 16 by 9. You can put it at 9 by 16. Anyone that goes. The images per badge, I kept it at 2. All right. So it can be 1, it can be 2, it can be more. But when it goes to 3, 4, you have to subscribe. This is free right now. This Lumin AI is free. So I'm just going to paste that prompt that will go for ChatGPT for the first scene, and then we generate this, which we've generated the image. So this is the lady washing vegetable, a beautiful young African woman with glowing brown skin and all of that. She's washing vegetable. Now I'm going to get the second prompt, prompt from ChatGPT, and then create another image. This is her cutting the veggies. Okay, so and then the last prompt of her frying the veggies. So this is it. Once you are done, you download your images, and then we'll be moving to Pixverse. Okay, Pixverse, as you can see on my screen, Pixverse. Once you come to Pixverse, I'm going to tap on that image, and then we're going to fix in our image, and then that same prompt we had for the scene, that's what we're going to be placing here, and then we're generating our video. So let me just show you how it looks. It is not just lovely, this is really lovely. Remember, the image prompt we use to generate the image is the same thing we're going to be using for our video. Okay, so this is it. So now I'm going to come to my InShot to edit my videos. Okay, I'll come to InShot to edit my videos. So that's what I'm just doing. All right, so right now I'm going to go to this is it, just playing in InShot. So to get my sound effects, I'm going to use pixabay.com. There I went and downloaded the sound effects. That's for the cutting, knife cut veggies, the one of frying, the one of slicing, the one of tap water running, and all of that you can see here. So I'm just going to be using them. Okay, so wherever I stop, I'm going to just edit it and make sure you stop at where she's only washing the veggies. Okay, so what the app I'm using to edit, like I said, is InShot app. InShot app, InShot. Then for the pixabay.com is where you get your sound effect. Okay, because this InShot do not have the sound effect like CapCut. All right, so you can use CapCut, you can use InShot. Okay, so After doing that, I'm going to get the music again. That's for the we've gotten for the running water. We're going to get for the knife cuts, right? Once we get for the knife cut, to come and place it here again, and then keep editing it and make sure it is where the knife cut stop. We're going to stop there as well. For the frying part, we're going to fix in the sound effect for the frying part. Okay. So this is it for our cooking vlog, AI cooking vlog. I think this is really lovely. So, and these are free apps that you can use. Thank you all for watching, and please subscribe to this channel. Bye.